Ever felt like your maintenance team is stuck in the shadows when your organization rolls out a new ERP system? Well, I'm here to shed some light on why Micromain is the game changer your maintenance operations have been waiting for. Let's face it, major ERP systems like SAP and Oracle are designed with accounting in mind, not the nuts and bolts of maintenance. And that's a big problem, right? Because when maintenance gets overlooked, efficiency isn't just compromised, it's often sidelined altogether. Now think about it. Ford, the makers of the best-selling F-150 truck in America, don't manufacture all their parts themselves. They rely on specialized vendors who excel in what they do. Similarly, expecting one ERP system to handle everything for every department is like trying to use a screwdriver to hammer a nail. It's not just ineffective, it's frustrating. That's where Micromain comes into the picture. Unlike broad ERP systems, Micromain is crafted specifically for maintenance. It's like having a tool tailored just for you, enhancing productivity and ensuring smoother operations without the constant hiccups. With Micromain, integration with existing ERP systems isn't just possible, it's seamless. This means you can maintain all the centralized data and reporting capabilities of your current system, while also benefiting from specialized features that make maintenance a breeze. And here's the kicker. By switching to a system like Micromain, not only does productivity shoot up, but equipment downtime goes down. That means less scrambling during breakdowns and more smooth sailing. So if you're tired of being the last consideration in the big ERP picture, maybe it's time to switch to a solution that puts your needs first. Micromain isn't just another software, it's a strategic partner that understands the unique challenges of maintenance teams. Interested in boosting your team's productivity and cutting down unnecessary costs? Check out Micromain for a maintenance solution that truly understands and supports your goals. Because when maintenance thrives, the whole organization moves forward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on how you can enhance your maintenance operations. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or share your experiences with ERP systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.